Good morning! So I just woke up. I am going to be making myself some organic matcha. I'm going to be making a latte and I'm going to show you guys how to make it. So if you want to learn how to make an amazing organic matcha latte, then keep watching. I started the ketogenic diet about 2 months ago and now I am about 20 pounds down. So I'm going to take you guys on this journey as I lose the last 15 to 20 more pounds. So I'll be showing you guys recipes and telling you guys a little bit of tips and tricks about what I'm doing on the ketogenic diet, which is the low carb diet, 30 grams of net carbs per day, and then take you on the journey of me to lose 15 to 20 more. So if you guys are interested in watching, hit the subscribe button because I will be putting up more videos on keto and also some makeup tutorial videos for you guys. I was just at the YouTube studio filming some really fun stuff in Manhattan last week, so we're gonna have a lot of fun stuff up on this channel. Getting back into it. For a while I've just been on Instagram and kind of stepped away from YouTube, but I want to come back to YouTube now. So if you aren't already on my Instagram channel, then you can check me out on Instagram. I'll put the description below, but it's makeup by Krystle _. So anyway, boil some water. My camera was off. Okay, so I just poured a tiny bit of water and then a teaspoon of the matcha powder into here, just a little bit of water, just to mix it up, because we're going to be using almond milk mainly. So just a little to heat it up, and you just want to whisk it back and forth in zigzag motions, circular motions, just have fun with it. And once you see it start foaming up like a good espresso, you know when a good espresso gets that foam on the top, that's how we know we're pretty much done. This is what it's looking like. Nice and foamy, so we're good to go with that. Oh, and if you don't have one of these, which you can get on Amazon, but if you don't have one, you could just throw this mixture in a blender. Now I'm going to take a cup of ice and just pour that in. Almond milk, and pour that in. Is the color that I want. I don't want too much milk. Then I'm going to add some sweetener. I think I'm going to do some Splenda. Mix that up. And then I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla extract. Just to kind of give it a little bit of a vanilla taste. I love it with the almond milk. Wow. Guys, this is so good. It's like just as good as something that you would get from Starbucks. So good. Yeah, baby. I like it. One more Splenda because I like it sweet. Oh my god, it tastes better than coffee actually. Delish. It's really good, guys. You really should try this recipe. I love it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up because it will help me. Hit the subscribe button and I will see you guys in the next video.